Here's some Nutcracker Ballet trivia. Subscribe. Who composed the music for this ballet? Is it A. Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky, B. Antonin Dvorak, C. Aaron Copland, or D. Leonard Bernstein? The correct answer is A. Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky. In which year did this ballet premiere? Is it A. 1885, B. 1910, C. 1892, or D. 1900? The correct answer is C. 1892. Which country is the setting for this ballet? Is it A. Spain, B. Sweden, C. Greece, or D. Germany? The correct answer is D. Germany. What creature is the Nutcracker transformed into? Is it A. Prince, B. Nutcracker doll, C. Mouse King, or D. Toy Mouse? The correct answer is A. Prince. What is the name of the kingdom where Clara travels? Is it A. Land of Dreams, B. Realm of Wishes, C. Kingdom of Whimsy, or D. Land of Sweets? The correct answer is D. Land of Sweets. What item does Clara use to defeat the Mouse King? Is it A. Candle, B. Book, C. Shoe, or D. Pillow? The correct answer is C. Shoe. In what festive season is the ballet traditionally performed? Is it A. Christmas, B. Easter, C. Halloween, or D. Valentine's Day? The correct answer is A. Christmas. Which dance features swirling snowflakes? Is it A. Winter Waltz, B. Snowflakes, C. Frosty Tango, or D. Ice Dance? The correct answer is B. Snowflakes. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.